Your first question is, who developed Python programming language? Your correct answer will be Guido van Rossum. Python language is designed by Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum in the Netherlands. Your second question is, which type of programming does Python support? Your correct answer will be object-oriented programming, structured programming, functional programming. Python is an interpreted programming language which supports object-oriented, structured, and functional programming. Your third question is Python case sensitive when dealing with identifiers? Your correct answer will be yes. Case is always significant while dealing with identifiers in Python. Your fourth question is, what is the correct extension of the Python file? Your correct answer will be py. .py is the correct extension of the Python file. Python programs can be written in any text editor. To save these programs, we need to save in files with file extension py. Your fifth question is Python code compiled or interpreted? Your correct answer will be Python code is both compiled and interpreted. Many languages have been implemented using both compilers and interpreters, including C, Pascal, and Python. Your sixth question is, which keyword is used for function in Python language? Your correct answer will be def. The def keyword is used to create or define a function in Python. Thanks for watching.